going on, everybody? Got another lighting video for you. We had a customer bring us her 2021 Mustang Mach E. It's either 21 or 23, but she's seen some of our other videos and wanted to add some ambient lighting to her car. These cars come factory with like the footwell already, but she wanted a little bit more to it. So let me show you. Of course, just like always, I have it on rainbow right now just so you can kind of see the available colors that you can select. You can either keep it rainbow, you can pick a solid color, you can dim them down a little bit, you can make them a little bit more brighter. So you got a lot of adjustability with these. It is app controlled, so everything is done through an app. Basically, we have it when turn the car off, the lights turn off. When we get in the car, turn it on. They will turn on. They kind of do like their little turn on mode here. I'll show you. And then they go right to the last memory. With this vehicle, it worked out really good. What we always try to do is we try to enhance the vehicle and kind of show respect to the body lines and stuff like that. We don't like to kind of go all crazy and make our own stuff. So this vehicle actually comes factory with a chrome strip that kind of runs down from one end of the door to the other. And then same thing with the dash, a little chrome strip that runs all the way across the dash here. So again, we just try to enhance that. We don't really try to change anything up. You know, we're just here to kind of add a little bit of flavor to the car. But again, it is app controlled. Now what we also did is we tied in their underglow kit. And through the app, you can control the exterior on its own separate zone, and then the interior on its own zone. So if you want the exterior to be red, the interior to be blue, you can do that all from the same app. So right now we just have it on the color chasing. And then this is kind of up close on the chrome that I was talking about on the accents. So I know a lot of you guys always ask, you know, what product we're using. So we are using Race Sport in this. This is their interior ambient kit with their chasing underglow kit. We are a dealer for Race Sport, so if there's anything in this video that interests you, reach out to us. We can definitely help you out with that. The shop's phone number is 410-388-0282. If you're in the area and want to stop by, we can definitely look at your vehicle, see if we can do something like this for you. 717 North Point Boulevard. We're in Dundalk, Maryland. Thanks, guys. See you.